guys, welcome back to Zik the programming guide channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create group chat on Discourse app. So first thing you have to do is open up your Discourse app just like this, and you click on this arrow. Once you click on that, you're going to see this message icon right here. Click on that. So once you click on that, you're going to see this icon of plus sign right here. You click on that, and before you be able to do that, you should be able to have at least 2 or 3 friends. So because I don't have friends, I have to add friends, and which I'm currently doing. But if you already have friends, as soon as you click on that plus icon, you're going to see the new group chat. So you can just click on that and create the chat. Otherwise, you can also do another one, which is the server. You can create your own server. So you click on create my own. Once you click on create my own, you can see for me and my friends, or for a club or community. So you click on that and you just create a server, upload your image, and you can just quickly copy the link and share to your friends. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.